Hello everyone and welcome to today's video on the reverse engineering of a moving coil ammeter. In this video, we will be taking closer look at the internal components and mechanism of this ammeter. So let's start. First of all, moving iron ammeter is an instrument used to measure electrical current in a circuit. The principle behind its functions is based on the interaction between a magnetic field and moving piece of iron, which is attracted or repelled depending on direction and magnitude of the current flowing through it. Now, when we will disassemble this ammeter, we can examine its internal components. So here we go. So, first of all, here we have this housing which is to protect the mechanism inside, and then this thin plate is there to see the reading from 0 to 50 amperes with least count of 1 milliampere. Now we will remove this thing. So now here we have a mirror, and it is used to remove parallax error in reading by aligning the needle with its reflection in the mirror. So thing is that when we will see this reading from either this side or this side, it will show error, but when we will see this thing such that the reflection and needle are coinciding, then only we have the proper reading without any errors. Now we move further. Now we have this coil which carries the current and produces the magnetic field, and this coil is made up of copper. And now we have this thing surrounding the coil which is made up of iron or any other ferromagnetic material which enhances the magnetic field. Now we have this needle which is connected to copper coil and spring, and the spring is here just above the copper coil, which we also call hairspring. When the current flows through the copper coil, an electromagnetic field is generated. When the power of this magnetic field overcomes the tension in this hairspring, the needle moves and shows the reading. The pointer is calibrated to provide a visual indication of current being measured on the scale. Now, when we see it practically, when current flows, magnetic field produced interacts with this iron core and gets enhanced, causes the core to be attracted or repelled. Then the torque is produced and the movement is transferred to pointer, causing it to rotate and align with the corresponding current value on scale. Here, deflecting torque is proportional to the square of current in coil, making the instrument reading is a true RMS quantity. Now this rotation of needle is opposed by hairspring just below the needle. Because of that only, this hairspring produces restoring torque. Then the needle comes to its initial position when the current is drawn out. And this is the complete whole circuit where this resistor makes sure that current doesn't flow in opposite direction when it's flowing in a particular direction. And by this we learned the practical example of fascinating principle of electromagnetism, and that concludes our video on the reverse engineering of moving coil ammeter. Thanks a lot.